In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open links with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This tutorial is all about harnessing the power of ChatGPT to analyze web pages, summarize articles, or simply get quick insights without diving into all the details yourself. Imagine being able to pull information efficiently for your research, content creation, or even just to satisfy your curiosity. Sounds useful? Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open ChatGPT in your browser. You'll want to have the link you want ChatGPT to analyze handy. This could be anything from an article, a blog post, a product page, or even the latest news story. Basically, if it's a page on the internet, ChatGPT can likely help you with it. Now focus on the URL in your address bar. You'll need to copy that link. It's crucial to grab the entire URL so that ChatGPT has an accurate reference point to work from. You don't want any missing parts, as that could affect the content it retrieves. Once you've got that link copied, head back to your ChatGPT window. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You're going to paste that link straight into the message box. You have two options here. You can simply paste the URL by itself, or you can accompany it with a clear instruction. For instance, you could type, "Summarize this article," followed by the link. Alternatively, you might say, "What are the main points on this page?" Or, "Can you read this web page and explain it in simple terms?" The flexibility in your request will often yield better results, because the more specific your prompt, the clearer the content ChatGPT will provide. Once you've pasted the link and added your instruction, hit enter. Just like that, ChatGPT will begin processing your request. If the browsing or web access feature is enabled, it will use the content from that page to enhance its response. This is incredibly useful for transforming lengthy articles into concise summaries, pulling out essential facts, or grasping the gist of a web page without painstakingly reading every word. Now, if you get a response from ChatGPT saying that it can't access the internet, don't go into panic mode. That message simply means the web browsing feature might be turned off in your settings. Not a problem. Just navigate to your settings, find the personalization section, and then venture over to the advanced options. Once you're there, you'll want to enable web search. With that setting activated, go ahead and try pasting the link again, rerun your prompt, and you should see much better results. It's worth noting that ChatGPT's ability to work varies depending on the web page. Some pages might not load correctly, and others may be blocked or filled with restrictions that make them hard for ChatGPT to read. If you come across these hiccups, don't hesitate to try a cleaner or simpler link. In other words, if one door closes, find another to open. Another tip I can share is about how you phrase your requests. Instead of just saying, "Open this link," why not combine that with a distinct task? For example, tell ChatGPT to summarize this page in 5 bullet points, or list the pros and cons from this article, or even explain this web page as if I'm a beginner. This approach truly enhances the value of your interaction with ChatGPT as it becomes clear what you want it to help you with. If you're utilizing links for school or work, this technique is a huge time saver. No more clicking through every article and reading everything in full. With ChatGPT, you can scan the essential content swiftly and make informed decisions on what requires your full attention. Let's recap what we've gone over. Begin by copying your link, pasting it into ChatGPT, adding a clear instruction, and then just hit enter. Should you encounter issues with web access, simply enable it in the settings and give it another go. And that's really the easiest way to open links with ChatGPT and obtain valuable answers from web pages quickly. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching.